Hi guys, my name is Judin and welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Judin. In this new video, which is the second part of the lesson on the articles, I am going to teach you how to choose the right definite article among a, un, la, na, or la. Previously, I have made a video where I showed you the articles in Haitian Creole. I hope you watched it. In that video, you learned that the definite article may be a, un, l'un, na, or la for singular nouns and yo for plural nouns. I also told you that they come after the nouns. For instance, the cat is chatla, the dog is chien, the house is kaila. Besides, I talked about the indefinite article which is yon, but in the South, most people say you, and in spoken Haitian Creole, it's sometimes reduced to on. There was a question that I did not answer yet. It was how to choose among a, un, la, na, or la. That is what I'm going to explain in this video. At the end of the video, you'll find an exercise to train yourself. Let's go. In Haitian Creole, words may be ended by a hard consonant sound b, sh, d, f, g, j, k, l, p, s, t, v, y, z, wa, b, sh, d, f, g, j, k, l, p, s, t, v, y, z, and wa. A soft consonant sound m, 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 m. An oral vowel sound a, e, I, o, u, e, o. A, e, I, o, u, e, o. A nasal vowel sound in, on, on. In, on, on. A nasal vowel sound plus a hard consonant sound in, on, plus a hard consonant sound. A nasal vowel sound plus a soft consonant sound in, on, plus soft consonant sound. These factors determine which article we should use after a chosen name. If the word ends with a hard consonant sound, which is produced by the letters B, C, D, F, G, J, K, L, P, S, T, V, Y, Z, or W, the definite article must be la. Example, tab la, sab la, flash la, flesh la, rad la, cod la, bef la, chief la, bag la, fig la, juge la, cortège la, sac la, choc la, poule la, boule la, pipe la, shop la, caisse la, tous la, patate la, cat la, cave la, livre la, caille la, feuille la, valise la, chaise la, cow la. If the word ends with a soft consonant sound produced by the letters M and N, the definite article must be l'un. Example, lam l'un, plume l'un, crème l'un, chaîne l'un, bécane l'un, machine l'un. If the word ends with an oral vowel sound a, e, I, o, u, e, o, the definite article must be a. Example, tracas, foire, la foire, la foire, Géa, Géa, Théa, Théa, Caféa, Caféa, Gia, Gia, Fia, Fia, Poa, Poa, Ridoa, Ridoa, Joua, Joua, Cua, Cua, la Cua, la Cua, Kea, Kea, Flea, Flea, Loa, Loa, Moa, Moa. Exceptions: Mia, Mia, Pitimia, Pitimia, Chenia, Chenia. When the word ends with a and the definite article is also a, we lengthen the a sound. So don't say traka a, but we say traka. It becomes a long a sound. If the word ends with a nasal vowel sound, on, the definite article must be un. Notice the linking. Example: chien, chien, pain, pain, ban, ban, tan, tan, pão, pão, cochon, cochon. When the word ends with un and the definite article is also un, we lengthen the un sound. We don't say ban un, but we say ban. It becomes a long un sound. If the word ends with a nasal vowel sound, un, on, plus a hard consonant sound, the definite article must be lan. Example: wench lan, wench lan, bank lan, bank lan, tant lan, tant lan, pompe lan, pompe lan, dans lan, dans lan. And finally, if the word ends with a nasal vowel sound, un, on, plus a soft consonant sound, and the definite article must be lan. Example: kan lan, kan lan, fuen lan, fuen lan. However, there are a lot of exceptions to these rules. But if you master those given above, you are going to be able to choose the right definite article at 80%. After words ending with a nasal vowel sound plus a soft consonant sound, some people usually use na as the definite article while others use lan. It varies according to the area. Example: cham lan, or cham na, desam lan, or desam na, kaban lan, or kaban na, ban lan, or ban na. I advise you to use lan as the definite article. One day I will explain why, especially when I will teach you the prepositions. These two words can also be used as a preposition, and the same problem is still occurred. Example: some people may say kabrit la lan jardin, while others may say kabrit la nan jardin. Valise la lan cham lan, while others may say valise la nan cham nan. But that doesn't affect the meaning of the sentence. The first one means the goat is in the garden, and the second one, the bag is in the room. I advise you to use na as a preposition. Okay guys, now I think you are able to make the right choice between a, la, lan, na, or un. No need to study them by heart. Just relax and practice these examples again and again. After some constant rehearsing, you are going to be able to use them as if you were a native speaker. Here is an exercise to practice your understanding. I advise you to pause the video and write the answer in the comment section below. Exercise: fill in the blanks with the appropriate definite article. Porte, manger, chambre, poisson, mi, caméra, tableau, téléphone, table, chargeur, timoun, chaise, radio, chemise. Porte, manger, chambre, poisson, mi, caméra, tableau, téléphone, table, chargeur, timoun, chaise, radio, chemise. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe for more videos and hit the like button if you like this one, which will encourage me to keep on uploading new videos for you. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Okay, that's all for today. Take care of yourself and until next time.